Make hay while the sun shines. One day in a quiet farming village, a young boy named Lek saw his grandfather working hard in the sunny rice field. "Grandpa, why are you working so much when the sun is hot?" Lek asked. Grandpa smiled, wiped his sweat, and said, "Because we must make hay while the sun shines." Lek was confused. "But hail comes when it's cold and rainy." Grandpa chuckled and explained, "Make hay while the sun shines is a saying. Do hard things while the time is right, even if it's not easy." He pointed at the sky. "Today, the weather is clear. The tools are ready. My body is still strong. If I wait, it may rain tomorrow, or I may be too tired." Lek thought about his school homework. He always waited until late at night to do it, when he was tired and sleepy. So that evening, Lek sat down right after school and finished his homework early. He smiled proudly. "Now I understand, Grandpa." Morale: do important work when the time is good, not later when it's harder.